Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are good. So today in this video we are going to install hide in dumpster script in our FiveM server, and this script is completely free. You can easily install it after watching this video, and if you like this script you can let me know in the comment box. So I will provide you the link in the description box, so you have to just go there. So right here we have our script. You can easily get it from their tabx store right here, as you can see. So after getting it from the tabx store, you will get to see the mail which you provide during checkout. So just go there and you can download it from here. After downloading, we need to simply just open it and extract this file to our resources right here. Then we have to simply just copy the script name and go to the server. So right here we are in the server right now. So let's do refresh, ensure, and the script name. And after that it will show you the codes where the props were. So we need to go to the config file. So let's open it, lib and share.lua file, and right here you will get to see these codes for the dumpster props. So let's copy it and just go there. So right here we have our first dumpster prop right here. So here we can like use it, and you can create as many as dumpster props you want to use it in the city. You can easily create it in right here in this config, and we can say share.lua file, just create like that and let's use it. So we have to do slash dumpster, and as you can see we got this type of effect, and we can say animation right here, you can see. So we can hide like this, and it will closes the door as well, so it looks very realistic. I'm definitely gonna use it in my server. So if you also like this, you can easily use this in your server. As you can see right here, it's so realistic and no one get to know that you are hiding here. So, and for come out we have to use the slash command again, and as you can see we can easily come out of this. So this is how this script works, and it's very nice and cool. So thanks to the makers who create this type of advanced hide in dumpster script for free for us and for our FiveM community. So make sure to appreciate him in the comment box. So till then we will meet you in the next video. Take care, have a good day, love you all.